Hi, I'm Steve Castle. Today I wanted to share with you a secret of network marketing. And people that want to get into this business, create large incomes if that's your goal, how do you do that? Well, you're taught to build a large organization, to go out and recruit lots of people into your business, and that's part of the equation. A lot of people say, well, I want to get somebody that's really experienced in the industry. I want to recruit them into my business. And yeah, that can be part of the success formula as well. But the most important part of the formula is to recruit one particular person, and that's yourself. If you're not recruited into the business yourself, if you're not passionate about the company that you're with, if you're not passionate about the products or services that you offer, if you can't connect on those, if you don't have confidence in yourself, then you're not recruited. And if you're not recruited, you're not going to be successful in this business. So the most important person ever to recruit for your business is yourself.